I just record this video to help remind myself how to get the first n row of records within a group. I'll keep this one. So let me just run this control point, and you will see this. Actually, they are all the same, but using different methods. I want to get the first 2 rows of each month. So that means I categorized my stock records based on month. Okay, so I just call this as month. This one is the first method. This is the first method, which is called a mask. So if you use the masking method, I assume that you called out your stock price information, open, hello, close. In my case, I'm just calling it from my local drive, but you may get your stock data from elsewhere. So I just assume that you get all your stock data. Okay, I create an extra column called as month. Since my index is trade day, so it's in date format, so I can use the df.index.string time, and I just want the year and month. Let me just print out what it does. Since July, okay? Then I'm going to print 2 columns. Let me just print as month. So basically what we get is the as month, right? So we categorize our records based on the column called as month. So we have 2018-7, 2018-08, right? So let's say if I want to extract the first 2 days of July, the first 2 days of August, and the first 2 days of September, then what we can do is to create a new group, which is called dfg1 equals df.groupby based on the as month column, and we are going to get the first date. Okay, then let me just print out dfg1 to the last 5 rows, the latest 5 months. So what we get is the first day of the month, and it's from the last 5 records, the latest 5 records. Because the last column is blank, so we return NAT. You can drop NA bracket to get rid of that. We just run that again. And we have the latest 5, but indeed 4, right? The as month indicates the month of the specific record. Okay, so let's say if we want to get the first 2 days, then what we can do, we can simply put 2. Oh, you know what? When we run it again, we will only get 2 months because we have 2 days per month. And we only return the latest 5 records. That's why we only get the latest 2 days of September, because today is September 4th. Okay. So let's say if we want to get 5 months, since we have 2 days per month, so we have to row 11 records because one of them is blank. So let me just put 11. Oops. How come? Yeah. So this is the latest 5 months: September, August, July, June, and May 2008. So this is the masking method. So that's about it. Thank you. Bye-bye.